Have you ever looked in the mirror after a sleepless night and noticed your dark circles, dullness, or even acne has worsened? This is not your imagination. Yes, sleep has a direct impact on your skin health, your aging, or even skin conditions, and it is important to have a good night's sleep. Hi, this is Dr. Ravali Yalamanchili, Chief Dermatologist, NEA Dermatology and Aesthetics. Today, let us understand how sleep affects our skin. Your skin is the largest organ of your body, and just like any other body part, it also needs time to repair and regenerate. During your sleep, especially deep sleep, your body repairs and regenerates your skin cells. If you miss on your sleep, your skin misses this vital repair window. So some of the skin problems that might worsen when you don't have a good night's sleep. Number one, dark circles. This is everybody's problem. When you don't sleep well, there is no proper circulation, there is pooling of blood in your under eye area. This gives puffiness and appearance of dark circles in your eyes. Number two, dull and tired skin. If you don't sleep well, there is less oxygen supply to your skin, and the result is there is always a dull look. You don't have any glow on your face, and there is more uneven skin tone. Number three, increase in your acne breakouts. Poor sleep increases your cortisol production. Cortisol is a stress hormone. This in turn increases your oil production, leading to further acne breakouts. Number four, faster aging. Your collagen repair mainly happens during your sleep. Your collagen repair and regeneration is what is important to improve the quality of your skin. So if your collagen repair is not happening, this leads to fine lines, wrinkles, and loss of skin elasticity and causes droopiness and sagginess of your face. Delayed skin healing in general, be it your pimple or even post-procedure or even any cut or injury or wounds, heal better during your sleep. So if you're not sleeping well, you're delaying the whole process of healing, and this leads to further complications. A good quality sleep is a natural beauty treatment every night. It improves the blood flow to your skin, it improves the collagen repair, it reduces the hormonal stress on your skin, and also reduces the inflammation. So how they call it as a beauty sleep is not a myth, and it actually is a science. How much sleep do you actually need? An average adult needs around 7 to 9 hours of good quality sleep, and the amount of time that you are in your deep sleep is what actually matters. And also the time that we go to bed is very important. So please follow the circadian rhythm. So to have a good skin, you need to have good sleep. For this, please have a consistent sleep routine. Please avoid screens at least 1 hour before your bedtime, and also hydrate well during the day. All of these factors ensure that you have a good quality sleep. And do not forget topping all of this with a consistent skincare routine of a cleanser, sunscreen, moisturizer, and moisturize your skin well right before your bedtime. Think of sleep as the cheapest and the most effective form of skincare treatment that you can give to yourself. Remember, good sleep is good skin. If you like this video, please share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel.